Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the content visible and ready. Open the exact app or screen you need to capture. Once done, make sure the phone is unlocked and responsive, and remove any bulky case that blocks buttons because the only way requires precise button presses. Also clear notifications or overlays so the screenshot shows only what you intend. This first step saves time and prevents repeated attempts. Prepare the exact frame before you press the buttons. Now perform the single reproducible action. Press and hold volume down and power together for roughly 1 second. You'll see a brief screen flash or hear a shutter. That confirms the capture. If a preview appears at the bottom, tap it to crop, annotate, or share immediately. This saves an edit step. If you prefer the image saved quickly, simply swipe the preview away. Practice the timing once or twice to get a clean press without triggering other menus. Finish by opening Gallery or Samsung Photos to locate your screenshot in the Screenshots album. From there, you can crop, add text, or share. Make sure to remove any private details before sending. Use the blur or crop tools. If the capture doesn't work, inspect the volume and power buttons for responsiveness, reboot the phone to clear temporary glitches, and remove a thick case or screen protector that may block presses. That troubleshooting step resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.